Hey loves, hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today's video I want to show you how you can make money faster, bigger in local and also in foreign currency in ventilating industry. So in this video I'm going to give you some tips on how you can make money faster and bigger in ventilation. Maybe you must have come across some of the tips that I'm going to give you, or probably you are just new to ventilating and you just want to make money fast and grow in ventilating. So these are some of the tips I'm going to be giving you. Now, the first thing you should do, know how to ventilate. I keep on saying this. Know how to ventilate very, very well. So after you must have learned how to ventilate well, have a brand. You have a brand name, then know how fast you can go. What I mean is, if you can ventilate a closure or a full lace, one or two in a day, just know how far you can go. So when you know how far you can go, you start marketing your product. And knowing how far you can go will make you to know how to supply to your customers. Now, when you market your product, tag your price in foreign currency. You can also tag your price in your local currency. If you're in Nigeria, Naira. If you're in Ghana, Ghana Cedi. But also tag your price in foreign currency. It's going to give you that kind of levels over others. And another thing is to get a contract. Look out for contracts, people that need ventilators. There are so many websites you can apply. There's so many websites that sell wigs either as a drop shipper. So you can just look out for those websites, those apps, and apply to be their ventilator, to be their wig vendors, hair vendors, braided wig vendors, and start supplying them, because those websites, they tag their prices in dollars. So in that case, you will be earning money in dollars. That's just it. Another tips I'm going to give you is market your products on social media platform. The social media platform we have like Instagram, we have Facebook, we have TikTok. And when you are doing the marketing, promote your products. Once you promote your product, a lot of people get to see your work and they buy. In that case, in that way, you will earn money bigger. And another one is, if you want to earn in your local currency, then you have to look out for beauty stores that need ventilators. Start supplying them closure, start supplying them frontal, start supplying them full lace. In that case, you are earning a living and you are also earning higher. This is just it. So these are the ways you can earn money in dollar and in local currency faster and bigger. I don't know if this video was helpful, but I just want to make it simple and quicker for you to know that there are ways that you can earn money in foreign currency and also bigger. So look out for all those stuff, look out for the website, look out for apps, and start earning money. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think about the tips that I've given you. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to be part of this amazing family. Yeah, to be part of this amazing family. And see you in my next video. Bye.